Okay, so I'm staying for an extra week. Woohoo! 3 weeks in Poland. So, I think what I'll do then, I'm going to take this rear bar out. Don't know what you call it. I've got a couple of bolts on this side, all rusty. Actually, maybe it's three. And three on this side, and one's loose. I think I'm going to have to cut them out with the angle grinder. I want to take this hem out because I've got a lot of rust. Well, not a lot, but it's a little bit rusty on the bottom, and there's a dent down there. So it's not terrible, but I might as well try and sort it out. And then I've got some seam sealer to do in here. Maybe there's one or two spots to do, and some seam sealing to do over here. So I'll do that, get all that done, and that's the back end of my little sorted. And then I'll move on to the front end. Getting closer every day. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free, helps the channel out, keeps me interests going. It'll be great for the channel. I mean, I've got the Z4 I've been working on, I've got the scooters, I've got that Simpson Schwalbe, I've got my quad bike. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but you know, it does help a lot. I've also got a couple of videos out on an Audi A1 diesel and the problems we've been having with the turbo and stuff like that. It just, you know, keeps us going, you know, keeps the channel going. Keen to video the stuff that I do if it's useful. Sometimes a lot of stuff's not useful and it's only sort of like useful to me. Hit the like button, subscribe. Let's get some more cars like this over here and some more bikes like the Simpson. So check that out. The quad bike's there. He needs a lot of work. He works, but he needs a lot of work. Hit the subscribe button. I don't have to say it 100 times. Just do it. You know, it doesn't hurt you. It doesn't cost you anything. I've been struggling with this for about an hour. Cut all the bolts off, both sides. We'll see if he comes out. Let's loosen this bad boy off. Got a new toy, graphite. Whoa. Mid-range power tools. Okay, so he's off. The engine was going to drop on the floor there. Way. Yeah. Should be alright. As long as I don't do anything drastic. Yeah. Interesting. It's a little bit knackered, isn't he? So I don't really think this is worth saving. It's a bit of a mess. I might make a new flange for here. So on the bottom I can finish it off, and there's a hole in there as well, body filler, and just get a new one. So at the moment I'm just cleaning up these pegs that go through, just so we can reassemble it for now till I can be bothered to get a new one. I think that's the best option, really. That's just not worth repairing. Right, so I decided I'm gonna make a new panel for here. I might as well. I've got 3 days here to kill. It's the last thing I can do on here for now, this trip. So let's get this bent and shaped up and welded in. okay, that's all made up. Yeah, it's not pretty, is it? I mean, this is just temporary. This is just until I can be bothered, or have the funds to buy a new rear bumper. I don't know if it's necessary, to be totally honest. I mean, look at the car. But yeah, I mean, if it's going to support the bumper on the back, I put this in just because it was actually twisted. The bumper is actually a bit, it's not straight compared to that one. He's a little bit bent, but I'm waiting on the delivery of a 12-ton press. Not for this, but to do another job. But I thought I could probably fit him in the press, flatten that bugger out. This is like a stiffening bar, isn't it? So it's like, I'm not going to be able to whack that with a hammer. Well, I probably could, but if I've got a 12-ton press, I might as well use it. So I'm waiting for delivery of that. I might just go and sit in the sun. Actually, I've just realised I can weld him in because I can still get in there with the press. So let's get this done. And that's how you budget. Finally, got your sealant. Let's put the sky in. All sealed up. That looks pretty. The rest, not so good. In this corner, I couldn't get the tube in, so I had to like dribble some from the nozzle and then get in with the brush. Quite happy with that. Once the paint goes on, it will look OEM. Also done this panel, a bit in the corner. Excuse the rotten hole. He's staying. Finally, new toys arrived. 12-ton jack. 12-ton jack. Nah, the other thing. 12-ton press thing. Oh, you know what? You've got to love a leg roll. It's faster than Amazon. You're absolutely brilliant. Well, where do we start? You start where you start. Here's the instructions. Now, can you read that? Oh, pictures. I can do pictures. I can do pictures. I have no idea what that means. No idea what that means. flatten out. I want to try and flatten that bit out. Put a socket in there.